Today I'll show you how to make the cutest miniature Christmas tree using simple, natural materials. This easy Christmas craft creates a charming tabletop decoration and adds a beautiful, festive touch to your holiday decor. Let's get started. You'll need a piece of thin cardboard, a wooden stick, a base with a hole, some greenery of your choice, a few ornaments, and of course, a hot glue gun. We'll start by making a cardboard cone, which will be the base of our little tree. Take your cardboard and use a compass to draw a circle segment with a radius of 20 centimeters. Make the segment slightly larger than 90 degrees so it will be easier to roll into a cone. Cut out the segment with scissors. On the other piece of cardboard, draw a circle with a radius of 5.5 to 6 centimeters. Cut it out. In the center of this smaller circle, cut out a hole about 2 centimeters wide for the trunk. Now roll the larger piece into a cone. The opening of the cone should be about 9 centimeters wide. Tape it together so it holds its shape. If needed, gently adjust it with your hands so it becomes as round as possible. Now make a second, shallower cone from the smaller circle. Shape it so it fits neatly over the bottom opening of the larger cone. Tape it in place as well, ensuring it keeps its shape. Now glue the smaller cone onto the larger one. Use the wooden stick to help you hold the pieces so you don't burn your fingers. Apply glue along the inner edge of the larger cone and press the smaller one into place using the stick. Hold it for a moment until the glue sets. Place the tree base into your stand so it stays upright while you attach the greenery. If you don't have a wooden stand, you can use a low glass jar filled with pebbles or something similar to make it heavy and stable. Now prepare the branch tips you'll glue onto the base. The lower branch tips should be a bit sturdier and about 7 centimeters long. As you move upward, you'll need thinner and shorter branch tips. Sort them by size beforehand. This will make gluing much easier. You'll need the longest and sturdiest ones for the inner, smaller cone that will lift the lower part of the crown. Let's begin! First, start by gluing the bottom row of branch tips. Apply it twice so it looks nice and full. Slowly work your way upward, making sure the branch tips are evenly spaced and gradually shorter as you go. When you reach the top, let the branch tips get narrower for a perfect finish. Now let's finish the lower part of the tree to create its final triangular shape. Measure how long the branch tips need to be so that the tips line up evenly on both sides. Glue the branch tips densely onto the bottom side of the tree with the top side of each branch tip facing inward. The branch tips need to be sturdy so they lift the lower rows nicely and give the tree a beautiful shape. Attach the branch tips closely together, ensuring that the cardboard underneath is hidden. And there we go! Our tree is finished and ready to decorate. Add any ornaments you like, and for the final touch, glue a star on top. Your mini Christmas tree is now ready to shine in all its beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Many more creative ideas are coming your way. Thank you for watching and see you soon!